How should I stand? Like this?
No, like lovey. Good evening, guys. Welcome to our first YouTube show. We are going to make Italian penne pasta for our dinner for tonight.
Sounds yummy.
This is actually Italian sausage penne.
How spicy is it?
So it's not spicy and it's 20 to 30 minutes prep time.
Fantastic. So it looks like you got some Asiago cheese, I think.
Asiago cheese.
Asiago cheese. Ooh, and what's this? Crushed croutons. Ooh. Oh, this is my favorite. Sun-dried tomato pesto. You got some green cheese. Look at that. I like that. Okay, got your corn and your cherry tomatoes, right? And I see you got the pasta already cooked. Fantastic. Yep. And this, I believe, Italian sausage. Nice. So what should we do first?
Yes, so if you missed the ingredients, don't worry about it because we're gonna list it
down in the description below.
Yes. So first we need to do is to preheat the oven for 400 degrees. So let's do it now. And then first what we need to do is to wash our hands as well before we start, right? I know Jason did it already and I did it already, but it's better to make sure than be sorry. Okay, so first step, we're gonna combine the pasta, cherry tomatoes, and corn in the baking pan.
All right, sounds good. I'll just dump that right in there. Take this out of the way.
Then let's do the fresh cherry tomatoes.
Oh, you just drop them in there like that?
Yep.
A little bit of magic?
Yes.
Like little fairy dust, little corn? Okay, that's a little too much there. There you go.
And then for this, don't forget to add 1/2 cup of water.
Oh, give them a nice little bath. I like that.
And a pinch of salt and pepper.
All right, well, I got the pepper. And the salt. Now that's fairy dust.
And then we mix it. Okay. To make sure that it's even.
So I like the red color of the tomatoes.
Yep.
Nice.
Okay. Next one. What do we do?
I believe we add this cream cheese in certain strategic places around.
Yep.
Yeah. All right. Give a nice little dollop, and we'll do a second one over
And
here.
don't worry about the cream cheese because as we put this in the oven and as it cooks, this will melt, and we're gonna spread it evenly later on.
All right.
And then now we're gonna add the Italian sausage.
Just right on top?
Yes, in crumbles.
In crumbles? Okay. Oh yeah, this is soft and squishy. I have to make sure I break it up, right?
Yes.
Nice. Okay. This is a little. I'm not used to working with meat in my hands like this.
And if you want the spicy one, you can buy the Italian sausage spicy, but we prefer the mild for today.
Yeah, I don't do too well with spicy food, especially on an empty stomach, and I plan on filling up on this. All right, just make sure I get everywhere, right? I don't want a nice layer. Okay, I gotta get these sides over here. All right, cool. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
And now we're gonna wait for the oven to reach 400 degrees, and then we're gonna put this for 20 minutes.
All right, so our oven is now finished at 400. It is ready for this lovely meal.
Yep, let's put it in.
Let me get that for you.
Thank you. And then let's set the timer. Cooking time is for 20 minutes.
Not 19?
Not 19. And then we'll wait when it's done.
20 minutes, sounds good. We'll see you then. Alright, so it looks like it just finished. So we'll go ahead and take it out now.
Yeah. Let's put a fork there.
Alright, protect our countertops from the hot plate. Okay, there we go. Careful, it's hot. That smells good.
Yeah.
Alright, so what's the next part?
So the next part is we're going to combine the 3 last ingredients.
Okay, okay. My sun-dried tomato pesto.
So you can combine that one.
Okay.
Oh, before we do that, we need to check if the meat is cooked. 160.
Okay, yeah.
So you need to have a meat thermometer.
Alright, it's looking like it's 160. Outstanding.
Okay.
Alright, so now pesto?
Yes. Pesto first.
Alright, that. So it just goes on top. Are we going to mix it afterwards?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And this is where it will mix with the cream cheese.
Ah, excellent. So, and then what about the Asiago cheese?
Asiago cheese.
Asiago
yes.
cheese?
We're gonna mix that after we mix this.
Okay.
Mix.
I mix, okay. I shall mix. Oh, don't touch that, that's hot. So we're gonna mix it here. Mix most of the cheese, it looks like. Okay. And I see you left a little bit. Is that for the topping?
Yes.
Ah, nice. Outstanding. This is looking good.
So by this time, the pesto, the tomato pesto, and the cream cheese already mixed together.
Okay. So when do we add this crushed crouton?
So let's add it now.
Okay. And we just sprinkle it on, like
Yep,
more fairy dust?
Yep.
Alright. I like that. Do a little shake, shake, shake action here. Alright.
And just the little bit of cheese, because I accidentally put all the cheeses earlier. I should have just put half. And some pepper. And some salt.
Nice.
And that's it for Italian sausage penne.
Fantastic.
Oh,
I was about to touch that. I was about to touch that. Not good. So here we have it. Looking good. Looking good. I can't wait to get this on a plate.
Yep. Okay, let's try it.
Is that? Absolutely.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Yummy. Right?
Meat's very tender. I like it. Excellent.
I like it.
Ang sarap. So, if you had fun, stay tuned. You may find more of these recipes. Good. I like the crunchy.
Homemade too.
How do you like it?
Good.
Good. Nice.
It has spice from the pepper.
That's right. Pepper. There's definitely pepper in there.
I I can't talk anymore. I'm so hungry.
I think I'm gonna get me some of these macaroons.
Go.
We are recording. And 3, 2, 1, go.